Hey everyone, Vinayak here. I was on vacation for a few days and I needed a good dashcam for my father-in-law's car. I thought I'll try out the Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro GPS. Let's see how good it actually is. This is Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro GPS. Qubo is part of the Hero group of companies. Smart features are listed on the side, which we'll check out. And opening up the box, we get a user manual and warranty card. The user's manual is accessible via this QR code. Car charger, it has the Qubo branding on the side. There are 2 ports on the back, 2 amps for the camera and 1 amp for other devices. Here's the dashcam. Quite standard design, similar to the 70mm dashcam I had reviewed earlier, and build quality feels good. And this is the sticker to mount the camera onto the windshield, a mic in between, and here's the lens. Power button, and we have a LED ring here, which will be visible once powered on. We have a speaker, and we have GPS marked on the side. This allows us to record the location and also the speed of the car when it was traveling. We have a reset hole, memory card slot, and a USB mini B port on the side. I'm using this Samsung Evo Plus 128GB micro SD card for storing the footage. No storage cards are included in the box. What else? We have a power cable which is USB micro B to USB A. We have this plastic spudger which allows us to tuck in the power cable into the car's lining. We have an extra sticker provided if you want to move the camera to another car. Now on to the installation. I have the car charger here and it goes into the standard 12-volt socket. The above USB port supports 2 amps power output and is the port you need to connect the dashcam's power cable to. Now before I mount the camera, let's insert the memory card. It goes in only one way, so you can't make a mistake. Press in to lock and done. Now for power. I am directly connecting the power without running the wire through the lining to test it first. Turn on accessory mode in the car and we have the LED ring light up red. When it's ready to pair, it blinks blue and red. The app connects to the camera's Wi-Fi access point. Once connected, the LED ring turns green. We now have a live feed from the camera. Now that's done, I'm mounting it here on the windshield. Remove the sticker and hold it down for a few seconds. The longer, the better for good adhesion. I'm now tucking the wires into the lining of the car. I'll get this done neatly later by a car mechanic. Now for the important aspect of the dashcam, the video quality. Daytime shots are quite clear. We have the date and time on the top and the speed and coordinates on the bottom left. The Qubo logo is also present here. Video is recorded in 1080p Full HD using the H.265 codec. The view is quite wide, covering the entire front of the car. Quality looks decent. We have WDR or Wide Dynamic Range feature which allows for more details and better dynamic range. Basically, it's supposed to make the video clearer. Here's a city shot. Number plates are not very clear on the bikes. I did have to convert the video when I copied it off the camera, but the original was not that clear too. Low light performance, video looked good. Oncoming traffic headlights were giving lens flares, but overall it's fine. When we do have enough ambient light, it looks like this. This video was recorded in total darkness, the surroundings being mostly illuminated by the headlights. I was surprised when I noticed recordings like these. The dashcam has a battery within. Not sure how long it can record for, but it does record even if the car is off, monitoring the surroundings when parked. So why would you need a dashcam? 1. To prove whose fault it is during an accident. This also serves as proof for the insurance company. Also, you can question incorrect challans. I've had times when people jump in front of me and start fighting. I just point at the camera and they drive off, which saves us from making unnecessary fights. The camera records continuously, and when it encounters sudden high G-forces such as shakes or collisions, it records to an emergency folder which makes it easy to find. We also have some cool features available via the app when connected to the dashcam in your car, which allows you to relive your journey, route tracking if you want to monitor your driver's activities. You can also create time lapses, which is a great option if you are a travel logger. The dashcam is a necessary investment in this day and age, and God forbid that you ever need to use it, but it does give you a bit more security if something does happen. The Qubo Dashcam Pro GPS is moderate in terms of recording quality. They do have a 4K version available, and if you need more detail, and the app is fast and we can view the recordings of the camera smoothly. Copying the video off the camera via Wi-Fi was a bit troublesome, but I just removed the card and copied it onto my laptop directly. The Qubo Dashcam Pro is a good choice at further around 5K price point. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.